Guys, and welcome to Makeup Over 40 with Platinum. We're going to do this look where I get in the shower first that I have been wearing religiously lately. So if you want to see it, let's go. Hey guys, Nikki here. It's been a minute, right. Of course, most of the time when you see me, I'm traveling because I do a lot. And I decided to bring you this quick no foundation routine I've been doing lately that's good for sweat and heat with a red lip. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So I'm traveling, but this is the Elements moisturizer. I already have it all over my face. I swear by their moisturizer. It's so great. And of course, everything will be linked below or will scroll at the bottom through YouTube shop. Taking the Tint Auto Concealer, I will leave the shade below. And this is what I am going to use to act as coverage. I mean, it's what concealer is made for, right? To conceal wherever you're dark. So that's all I'm gonna do. Put a little bit here. And then what we're going to do after this is just diffuse it out with my brush. So everywhere you have some hyperpigmentation, just make the skin as even as possible. e.l.f. powder brush, I'm sure this is $3, and just pat it and then diffuse it out, because you don't want it patchy on your face, you know. I have on lash extensions today. I did them myself. They are from a company called VI's Beauty. I will link them below, and a tutorial on how to apply them. Very, very simple. So we won't be applying lashes today. I just looked over here because I forgot to pack my makeup spray. I really did. So, okay, watch how we still gonna last. All we gonna do is get in the shower. Okay, and that's gonna make it do what it do to your skin and etc. So there you have it with just concealer. This is something new. This is the Too Faced Multi Concealer. I have been using this concealer a long time now. I went to the cosmetics company store and one of their workers convinced me to start using it. And it has just been uphill from there. I have got, now I'm on Too Faced PR list and everything because of it. So we're going to use this to brighten. So we're going to put it under the eyes, of course. You don't need too much, because what we're focusing on is a less is more type tutorial. So if you don't have a lot on to sweat off, it's not going to sweat off. Does that make sense, y'all? Yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to say. Like, in order for you to sweat off a lot, you got to have on a lot. So that's why you just get good products that are going to last. That's it. You just need a teeny bit like that. So I'm going to take that same brush. Feather that on out. Right. And then I'm going to switch over to another brush because I don't want to interfere with my lash extensions. It's a little smaller. It's made like this. This is a Laura Mercier. No, this is a it's not even on here. Yes, it is. It's a Laura Mercier brush. I think it's like a blush brush. And pat this in under the eye. Pat it till it's blurred out. And then I'm gonna flip it, and this is the Laura Mercier set powder. I have been dying to show you guys this powder. I am almost out of it and haven't showed you guys yet. Shame on me. We're just gonna set it. Oh, I love Laura Mercier powder. I don't care if it's pressed, if it's loose, give it here. And I want to say this one is honey. translucent honey. They just came out with a micro fine powder. You guys should try that. I'll take one of these that everybody's using right now and just go ahead and push it in. I like to put the powder down first so it don't come off when I push this in. Because sometimes when you use these, it takes the concealer off. You guys know what's going on. We're going to take the Sephora powder, the Sephora sponge. Mine is a little beat up because I use it all the time. And we're just going to set the rest of our face. Let's work around where we highlighted. What was the point of highlighting if we're going to go back in on it, you know? You see we're still highlighted here, here. You move around it. Take any black pencil liner, this one is from NARS, and put it in your waterline. Gave you that natural cat eye look. It tightened the eye. Too Faced Born This Way mascara. We're going to put a layer on the bottom. We're going to do about 2, 3, 4, 5 layers now. Probably about 3. But let's just go ahead and get the first round started. This is something new you guys aren't used to seeing. It is the MAC Rich Rosy Matte Bronzer. Beautiful color. If you can't get that CoverGirl bronzer I use all the time, here you go. Here you go. Don't say I didn't tell you. I got mine from the cosmetic company store, so it was 40% off, but it is still available on the MAC website. So let's just burn. Oh, I'm not going to do my forehead because I'm wearing a hat today. So that's unnecessary makeup that will get on the hat, right? But we're going to do both of our cheeks. Let's take the face powder and sharpen that. Same exact powder with a little brush like this, and we're going to take it from the eyebrow and go ahead and start contouring. Feel free to skip this step if you're not a contour type person, but we're going to drag it on down and get the nose. But we want it coming out the brow, you know. Switch over to a bigger fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna put this in my crease too. It gives you a natural smoky eye type look. And my dears, you want to guess what we're gonna do? Another layer of mascara. Something else we're hitting pan on. I have a lot of stuff, but I'll be using it. This is the Black Radiance Toasted Almond. It is a blush. We're gonna smile and pop that on an apple and just swivel it up to our hairline. Just blend it on out. I'm going to take the Sephora liner. I don't have to do much because I already had a piercing right here that closed. Make me a little mole, honey, okay? And then our last round of mascara, we're going to turn the brush upwards like this. Ooh. So when you guys are looking at my pictures and you're like, how do you get your bottom lashes like that? Multiple coats and make sure they stay spaced out. I'm going to take the OFRA Nikki Tutorials Blind the Hater highlighter. I love this gold on my skin tone. Here's the brush I will be using. And we're going to start on our cheeks. I am going to over highlight. I got to be careful today because I don't have any spray to melt it in. But I am going to get in the shower. And the shower is going to pull all of my natural oils out. Yeah, you're going to see. It's like an ice cream sandwich. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. What's that? Neapolitan? Napoleon? How you? Neapolitan. Then with what's left on the brush, I'm going to take that up my nose. My forehead. I don't add product. So I'm done with my eyes, so I just always take a spoolie and comb through my lashes. Here are the lashes I am wearing, and this is the Extreme Kit. They look like this. Comes with everything. Unlike 2016, brows are not really my thing anymore. I don't spend a lot of time on them because I like them to look borderline natural, but you know, I just don't spend a lot of time on them. So I take the MAC. This is what I have been using recently, but y'all know my favorite. I have a whole video on it. The MAC stud pencil. I just had a credit, honestly, at the CCO and had ran out. And so I just bought 4 of these. But y'all know I love my LA girl. I mean, I love the MAC too, but this, even at the cosmetic company store, this pencil is $10. When you can go get my little $1.99, $2.99, $3 LA girl. You get what I'm saying. So I'm just lightly filling it my natural brow. I'm not going to change the shape of it, the form of it. I'm just going to naturally fill it in. I can't lie, my natural eyebrows definitely give sisters and not twins, but that's just how they made, so I just go with the flow. Y'all want to wow out? I'ma wow out. We done, baby. We gotta put our lips on. That's it, because I ain't got nothing to spray with. But you guys know I will take the MAC Fix Plus to take all the powder off the face, but we still look pretty dewy and glowy. Correct, right. And then after that, I will take the Urban Decay or the Charlotte Tilbury, a setting spray, and go back in. So let's reverse that. When I was putting my powder products on, like my setting powder and face powder, then I go in with the MAC Fix Plus. That way it can go ahead and absorb in the skin, and when I'm finished with my whole entire face, I will go back with a setting spray. Alright, child, we don't have all that today, so we just gonna do the best we can with what we got. Okay, Top Tier Beauty Overdressed. This is one of my favorite reds. Oh, don't it look like we just did a lot? And we did. It looked like we got on a lot of foundation. It just... Now I dug my nail in my bronzer. Usually I line first, but with this, I put it in the middle. I put it in the middle and fan it out. and that's simply because a little bit go a long way. And I'm trying to save products so I don't have to buy another one. Even though I got 3 backups. Don't the red lip just make your look pop? It do. So next, how about we get in the shower and put this theory to the test, all right? Let's just get in the shower, but we beat, honey. We are fresh out the shower. I thought this was one of those restrooms where I can turn up the LED, but I can't. And I want to zoom in. You guys can see. Don't mind my nose. I'm not a heavy sweater. But this is what it looked like under this light. I do have something I need to blot over here. I start sweating a whole lot. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. Look like it is. I think that's about it. See, my body is still wet, so I'm not dried off or anything. So let's take the camera to the natural light. So we are back at the natural light. You see how my natural oils just came and solidified the deal. Then it also lets you know if your makeup will last throughout the day. If you get in that shower and you get out and you look a mess, ain't even no point of going somewhere with that makeup on, because you're gonna, honey, why would you step out the house with that makeup on? You're gonna look a mess-ier. Let's take your little pad thing. I don't have any sweat. And there you go. Let's get it. So in my opinion, getting in the shower bring out the natural oils in your skin, guys, and kind of give you that glow from within and make all your makeup melt together. It's kind of serving as a setting spray or like a Fix Plus spray, adding moisture back into your skin, and then it lets you know if you can party all night. If you get in the shower and you get out and your makeup is already running and separating, it's not gonna last. It's not gonna last wherever you're going. So give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I'll see y'all in my next video.